Good morning. Let's pack today's lunchbox. I made a quick paneer pakora. Take gram flour, rice flour, cumin powder, Kashmiri chili powder, carom seeds, salt, chaat masala powder, and add a little water. Mix it into a batter. Now dip the paneer cubes. This is my homemade paneer. You can check the recipe in the description box. Coat the paneer in the batter and deep fry till it is crisp and golden. That's it. Your paneer pakora is done. Now let's make a quick vegetable fried rice. Heat oil, add in spring onion white part, add in ginger garlic paste, chopped carrot and capsicum. You could add beans and any vegetables as you prefer. Season with little bit salt and little bit sugar. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add in cooked rice and toss well. That's it. Now your vegetable fried rice is done. Finish it with some spring onion green part. Now let's pack the lunchbox. It's paneer pakora, vegetable fried rice, and for snacks box it is watermelon. This is what I packed in my kids lunchbox today. Hope you like this video. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.